Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android device. At first we have to scroll down to the control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click pair new device, and now we have to go into pairing mode with our headphones. To do this we just have to hold our finger on our power button. As you could hear, pairing. Now as you can see they appeared on our list. AC Premium, we have to click on it. It sometimes doesn't work, so we have to prepare. As you can see, can't communicate, so we have to do it once again. Going to pairing mode and clicking AC Premium once again.
No device found.
Now we have to do it once again.
Pairing.
Now we are in pairing mode again, so we have to click AC Premium again. And now it worked, we have to click pair.
Pairing successful. Device.
And as you could hear, pairing successful. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.